Hi everybody. Hey, it's Kevin here. We are back. We've got our new studio done up. Hope you like it. It's a lot brighter. Got a new floor in here. Got some new duds to wear. We got something really cool to bring out to you here. In the last little bit, and with stuff that's going on around the world right now, we've had a lot of people expressing concern about not being able to go to classes. So we decided, and we've been thinking about this and working on this, we have so many things going on, but we figured what can we do to get people to the next step? So not only is this the next step for us with the Awareness Tai Chi and the Awareness website, but also something to help you guys get to the next step. And kind of with the things that are going on, not being able to go to classes kind of puts a little bit of a hiccup in regular training. So what we decided we're going to do is online classes. So what we're proposing to you is that we're going to do a regular workout kind of classroom setting, and we're going to stream it live to you guys. So you'll be able to be in the classroom with us at the same time. So I'm going to go through it just as if I'm doing a regular class, and you guys are going to be able to attend real time with us. So wherever you are in the world, you got an internet connection, and you'll have your computer. You can hook it up to a big screen TV. I know some of you aren't quite set up with that, but hopefully you'll be able to be there. We're going to have chat possibilities so that while we're doing the class, you guys will be able to ask questions. So if you want me to clarify something or go over something again or whatever, we'll be able to do that. So it's pretty exciting to have you guys in the studio with me. Also too, we're going to have different options. So if you guys are just a new beginner, so you're just starting to learn the moves, we're going to have a beginner class. And then we're going to have that followed by a continuing class, which will be a little more detail. We're going to be working on some new things that I'm going to throw at you, some stuff that we used to do in the early days that you probably might not have even seen before. So we want to kind of throw a whole bunch of things out there and give you guys some new stuff to work with. You're going to have the option, so if you're a beginner but you're really keen and you want to learn as fast and as much as you want, like some of our viewers have done, you can also join the continuing class. So we're going to have them separate, but we're going to give you the option to participate in both. And even if you're continuing, what we found is there's lots of continuing students that like to go back to the beginning and work on the little details, because sometimes they miss some stuff or they've forgotten some stuff. So you'll have the option of doing just the beginners or just the continuing, or being able to do both. Plus two, what we're going to do is we're going to archive each of the classroom settings. So they're all going to be kind of unique. We're going to be doing different things in each class. So we're going to archive them and make them available to you guys as an option as well. So lots of neat stuff. Some things that you're going to want to have on hand. Number one, your Tai Chi gear. Whatever you normally wear, depending on what you've got of a setup. And I know if you're a real avid Tai Chi person, you're going to have your furniture moved out of the room. Everything's going to be clear, so you're going to have a good space to do it. So if you got a hardwood floor or something, hardwood or laminate floor like this, you're going to want to probably have like a yoga mat or some kind of a mat, because we are going to do some stretching and different things like that. Yeah, make sure you got enough room. If you can have a big screen TV, you can hook up to a laptop so you got a nice view of the classroom itself. Your laptop's there, so if you want to run in and throw in a quick question or something. And that, I think, should pretty much be it, as far as anything that you're going to need. As we go through, we're going to learn lots of new stuff along the way. Not only you guys, but me too. We're going to work hard and try and keep it as smooth as possible for you. So what we want you to do is we're going to have all the details up on the Awareness website. So we're going to have a schedule. And we're going to have a structure of everything so that you're going to see all the details and you'll be able to know what to do. And if you got any questions about any of it, shoot us an email, and we're going to make this happen, and it's going to be coming out really, really soon. So get ready for it. Hope you're excited about it. I sure am. Love to have you guys in the studio with me. So take care. We'll talk to you soon, and start practicing.